Hello, dear Gemini. Very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising regarding career, health, finances, and love. So I'll take the love relationship reading to the next video as well in detail. But I will just check on the energies right now. Okay. So let's start, Gemini. How your career is going to be in September, Gemini. So I will start with, if you're in a business, then how your career is going to be in this September. If you're in business, let's see, Gemini. If you're in a business, this is a judgment card, so you are restarting your business. So I feel like you had lots of fallouts in the recent past or in the past, and you are just giving this relationship with your business a second chance. Okay, so yes, you are forgiving the past, you are forgetting the past, trying your best to get up and restart your connection with your relationship, your connection with your business again. So it is like you are restarting your business all over again, because I feel like you were in that phase of mind that I am not, might be because of the COVID situation, your business was not doing good. Now you are restarting, and now it is the right time for you to do that. Okay, because when I'm doing this, no, this plus sign is, popping up, and this is a very, very positive sign. The universe is giving you a signal that yes, go for it. This is a positive sign. The angel is also here, the plus sign is also here. Okay, and the dead bodies are coming out of the graves, they are seeking help, and the universe is with them. So yes, the universe is with you. Restart your business, restart your whatever you had planned for, just start it. Okay, just start it, Gemini. This is the good time for you. Let's see, if you are in a job, how's your job life going to be in September, Gemini? Let's see. Cool. Temperance, you need to balance your emotions. You have to control your emotions. I feel like you are going to be feeling very, very, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius at your job or environment, or in your job environment, where you will be feeling exceptionally, might be they are very, very controlling in nature, might be they're your boss or senior or something. Like it could be you as well, who is very controlling in nature. You just have to release that. You just have to release the controlling nature. You just have to be emotionally balanced in your life, because otherwise things are not going to be good for you. You are going to constantly feel under pressure. You are going to constantly feel like somebody is controlling you, and you are working like a robot or something. So you just have to balance your emotions. Otherwise, you just have to control your emotions, overwhelming nature. Otherwise, you are going to feel like this throughout the month. Okay, so it's in your hands, Gemini. Now you can come out of this situation. You just have to be really patient and relax and calm down. Meditate. Do Ho'oponopono meditation every day. Ho'oponopono meditation every day. Okay, it's going to really help you to come out of this stressful situation or environment of the job, or your colleagues, or business. Sorry, business, not business. It's like for those who is doing job right now. So you will be able to come out of the situation. It's all about your mindset. Okay, cool. Let's see how's your health going to be. I'll pull three cards for health for you guys, Gemini. First 10 days, then the middle part, and the last 10 days. First 10 days, it's Ace of Swords. My God, I feel like you have undergone a surgery or a knee replacement. I don't know why I get that, but why I got it. But yes, knee replacement is here. For most of you, I feel like there's some kind of surgery that you are successfully coming out of. You did the surgery and you did this operation or something like that. Might be you are recovering from an accident, or from a very from an injury from past 1-2 months. Now this is like you are successfully recovering from that thing. And if you are dealing with a surgery here, you are going to heal soon. Nice, nice. And for most of you, I got the knee replacement thing. Obviously this is not going to happen with everybody, the knee replacement or the operation thing. But for most of you, I'm getting that airborne thing, surgery thing. There is some kind of seizure involved if you're not cautious enough. Yeah, let's pull two more cards for you guys. 10 of Cups and the Air Force. Nice. So your health is going to be really good in September, Gemini. It is going to be really good in September. You are going to enjoy the family time. 10 of cups, it is the most beautiful time, most happiest card, emotionally. So you are going to really enjoy your family time. You are going to you are coming out of a state where you were constantly in fear of something, and you are healing from something right now, from an operation or injury or something like that. And after healing, the second part is really good, beautiful. And in the later part, again a good news is coming towards you regarding your health. You are recovering, Gemini, and you are going to feel like, yes, I got it, I got myself, and I am going to be okay, I'm going to be good. Nice, Gemini. Nice. You will come out of this, but you have to be cautious. Whatever the doctor said, whatever right now, whatever therapy or whatever thing you are doing right now, you just have to be cautious. Otherwise, there will be minor injuries or minor, things that you have to deal with regarding your health. Let's see how's your finances going to be in September, Gemini. Oh God, the cards literally fell down. Give me a second. This is messy. Okay, cool. Let's see. Sorry. Your finances. Oh, Queen of Pentacles. My God. So yes, beautiful. In the first part, like 1st to 10th September, it's going to be really good period for you financially. So Gemini, I feel like your September is going to be really good for you. Just make good use of that. Okay, finances are really looking good. If you did some kind of investment in the past, that's going to give you results. Or if you are right now doing some kind of business, that's going to thrive. Okay, that's going to make you some good returns, and it's going to be really in your favor. It's going to be really mature energy of practical energy of finances, pentacles that you are getting right now. Okay, nice. Second part, page of wands, getting some kind of good news regarding your finances, or you are going to start. See, I told you, you are going to start your business or job. You are going to restart something in the middle part of the September, and it's going to give you good results as well. But this is just the start. I understand you will be very passionate about that, but you have to take care of each and everything, documents and the paperwork and everything legal. Okay, nice. The later part is death. I feel like you will some kind of loss is happening. Okay, you have to take care in the later part, in the third part of September, that you are really careful in your investments. You are really careful about your work or whomsoever you are dealing with, or if you are not careful, you are going to go through some kind of loss financially. Okay, so please do that. Please don't ignore even a single or minute detail regarding your finances, otherwise you are going to lose your money. Be very cautious about investing in money or giving your money, or lending your money to somebody. Okay, lending money. Cool. Let's see how's your relationship, love life going to be. If you are if you are single, let's see how it's going to be if you're single, Gemini. Let's see. The Emperor. I feel like you had took some kind of decision. I'm going to do the in-depth reading in the next video for you guys, Gemini. So the Emperor for singles, it's showing me that you are right now adamant and rude, and you're like, I'm not ready for any kind of dishonest relationship. I'm not ready for any kind of flings or one night stand. I just need some royal or loyal person with me. Okay, you just need a loyal and royal person for you right now. Okay, you are just waiting. People might feel like you're cold and detached and off, but Gemini, in honesty, you are just waiting for the right person. Okay, let's see if you're in a relationship, what's happening with you guys. Ace of Pentacles. Brand new beginning is coming for you in your love and relationship sector. If you are in a relationship, might be you guys are working together, might be you guys are starting some kind of job or business together, but there's some kind of collaboration is coming, a solid commitment is coming towards you regarding your love and relationship. I'll definitely do the reading in detail for you guys in the next video. Okay, so Gemini, this is your overall energy for September. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. This is Anjali.